In a world filled with culinary delights and natural wonders, there's one small fruit that has made a big impact on human history and health. Join me today as we embark on a journey through time and science to uncover the fascinating history and incredible health benefits of the humble lime. Please watch my video to the end for some recipes and my zesty jokes. Please subscribe. Thank you. In groves of green, where sunlight gleams, the lime tree sways, fulfilling dreams. Our story begins in the heart of Southeast Asia, where limes are believed to have originated over 2,000 years ago. These small green gems were first cultivated in India and Malaysia before spreading to other parts of the world. Spanish and Portuguese explorers later introduced limes to the Mediterranean region and Africa in the 15th and 16th centuries. Limes also played a pivotal role in British naval history. British sailors supped on limes daily to get vitamin C, which prevented the deadly disease scurvy during months-long ocean crossings. This earned them the nickname, limeys. A lime name. How it came to be. A little history. The word, lime, has its roots in the Arabic language. In Arabic, the word, lima, referred to any citrus fruit. During the Middle Ages, when trade routes connected the Middle East to Europe, Arabic merchants introduced these exotic fruits to Europeans. However, the term, lima, transformed as it journeyed through various languages. French adaptation. In French, limon referred to limes, and citrine referred to lemons. This distinction persisted in French, while in English, the term lime gradually began to refer to the green citrus, and lemon to yellow citrus fruit we now recognize. Now let's squeeze our way into the many health benefits packed inside this tangy green fruit. Adequate vitamin C intake can help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Antioxidant power. Limes contain antioxidants like flavonoids and limonoids that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Digestive health. The acidity in lime juice can stimulate the digestive system, promote healthy digestion. Weight management. Limes are low in calories and contain fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management and preventing overeating. Skin health. Vitamin C in limes plays a vital role in collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin. It can improve the skin's texture, reduce wrinkles, and promote a youthful appearance. Hydration. Lime juice can be a refreshing way to stay hydrated, and it provides important electrolytes like potassium, which is essential for proper muscle and nerve function. Heart health. Limes contain potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Additionally, the antioxidants in limes may reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the oxidation of cholesterol in the arteries. Aid in respiratory health. The aroma of limes, as well as their vitamin C content, can help clear mucus and improve respiratory conditions, making them beneficial for people with asthma or colds. Aid in kidney stone prevention. Some studies suggest that consuming lime juice regularly may reduce the risk of developing kidney stones due to its citric acid content, which can help prevent the formation of certain types of stones. Boosted immunity. In addition to vitamin C, limes contain other vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall immune system health. Alkalizing properties. Despite their acidic taste, limes have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. Limes provide an excellent source of immune-boosting vitamin C, with one lime delivering around 20% of your daily recommended intake. The citric acid in limes aids digestion, especially of proteins and fats, while helping flush toxins from your body. Research shows limes have antibiotic properties that combat viral and bacterial infections like colds, flu, and food poisoning. Drinking lime juice with warm water first thing in the morning is an easy and delicious way to kickstart your body's natural detoxification processes. Key lime pie became an iconic dessert in early 20th century Florida, where key limes grow abundantly, helping popularize limes in American cuisine. Some of the most common lime varieties include Persian limes, also known as Tahiti or Bear's limes, key limes, and Kaffir limes. In Key West's clime where lime trees chime. Make it shine at dinner time. Squeeze this fruit sublime, for health and flavor every time. Limes and lemons are both citrus fruits that share many similarities but also have distinct differences in terms of flavor, appearance, and culinary uses. Limes are commonly used in Mexican and Southeast Asian cuisines and are favored in cocktails. Lemons, on the other hand, are often used in baking, salad dressings, and for making lemonade. However, lime refreshing ice water mix are very popular as well. Limes didn't just save lives at sea, they also enriched the world's cuisine. From zesty key lime pie in Florida to tangy ceviche in Peru, limes have become an essential ingredient in countless dishes. Delicious no-bake, healthy lime cake. Ingredients. For the crust, 1 cup of honey graham cracker crumbled, you can use whole wheat or gluten-free if preferred, 3 tablespoons melted coconut oil or soft unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, for sweetness. For the filling, 1/2 cup of raw honey, 1/2 cup whole milk Greek yogurt. Zest from 2-3 key limes, 1/2 cup lime juice, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Instructions. Prepare the crust. In a mixing bowl, combine the graham cracker, finely crumbled crumbs, melted coconut oil or butter, and honey or maple syrup. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch pie dish, creating an even crust. Make the filling. In a separate bowl, whisk together raw honey, Greek yogurt, lime zest, key lime juice, and vanilla extract until well combined. Assemble the pie. Pour the prepared filling mixture over the cooled crust, spreading it evenly. Refrigerate for 2-3 hours or overnight. You can top your lime pie with some nuts or dry fruit, your choice. Serve. Your lime pie is ready. Delicious! From orchard bough to kitchen's prime, we celebrate bright fruit of lime. Let us raise a glass in cheer to the lime, so dear, so clear and so divine. It is time for my zesty jokes. A funny play on limes and lemons, 2 similar and different citruses. What is lime color? Zesty green. What does a lemon think of a lime? That the lime is an unripe lemon. Why don't limes get along with lemons? Because he is too sour of a cousin. Why did the lemon call the lime for tech support? Because it couldn't find its Ctrl+Zest button. Why did the lemon get a promotion at work while the lime didn't? Because the lemon had more pulp, support. Why did the lime get arrested? It was caught smuggling lemons across the south of the border. How do you know when a lemon is mad at a lime? You can feel their sour, bitter tension. What's a lime's favorite dance move? The tango go. In verses penned, in every rhyme, lime's zest and flavor, true divine. Lime's zesty shape makes true design. Its scent, a citrusy embrace, a hint of heaven, a citrus grace. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.